Just so y'all know, there's so many breakups carved in this. Especially up on the stairs. Let's go up there and take a peek, because we're the only ones out here. Bunch of stuff written up here. You know what I mean? Alright, since nobody's out here, I'm gonna do a quick little vlog before someone catches me awkwardly. Yeah, this is the lighthouse, little dock. We walked through the woods a little bit. So yeah, that's about all I got for right now. Let's get back to the van. Alright, I'm back in old Mega Van here. So yeah, it's almost 2 o'clock. I got nothing else I want to do today, really. I just want to relax and do nothing. So we're going to go back to a campsite and do nothing. Oh, man. Alright, everyone. So I'm currently driving down the forest road. Going kind of fast. Oh. Alright, I made it to an actual established campground here. It's a free national forest campground. There's 4 sites here. Of course, hundreds of mosquitoes. Oh my god, I'm so sick of freaking mosquitoes, dude. This was kind of a jaunt to get back here. It was probably about, I don't know, 20 miles going down the forest roads. So I don't know, maybe we'll have the whole place to ourselves tonight. Alrighty, made it inside the van. I don't think a single mosquito got in here when I put my back net up. But now there is just a freaking swarm, dude. Oh man, I wish the camera could pick up how many mosquitoes are actually right here. But it's just like absolutely insane. There's the picnic table. There's the fire pit. So I think I'm angled pretty nicely here. And there's a ton of firewood over here. So I don't know. Maybe we should have a fire. Alright, so this is going to be our dinner tonight. Some boneless, skinless chicken breast. 1.4 pounds. It looks like just two of them in here that are pretty big. So that'll be nice. Once the mosquitoes go away, I'm going to start that fire since there's a crap ton of firewood here. Alright, so here's the spot. I got number 3. Alright, I was going to do a little bushcraft fire here for you guys. But the mosquitoes are just like absolutely insane, so I'm just gonna squirt a bunch of this gel down and get it smoky around here, because man, they're getting on my nerves. Alright, I think this is gonna get raging here. Alright, this fire is raging pretty good. That flame is coming out. Whoa, the flame is coming out hard. Alright, it's kind of cold, so I'm gonna chill by the fire here in my camping chair and do as every grown man should out in the woods. Play Princess Peach on the Switch. Alright, we're gonna cook these up over the fire. I'm gonna put a little garlic on it, salt, pepper, a little red pepper for some kick, and that'd be it. We just gotta do this with our bare hands here. That should be good. Yeah, I'm still cooking these up here. I kind of cooked this one a little too much, maybe. I mean, it gives you that nice charcoal flavor anyway, so it's going to be delicious. Alright, let's see how burnt these sides are. They are like right above the flames and stuff. Oh yeah. Oh, she's cooked. You know, I think these are going to be done. Okay, I totally just dropped this one into the fire. So let's not do that again. These things are big. Should probably not use plastic tongs either. They're super cheap. Oh yeah, there she be. A little crispy, but they're probably good. Well, I totally smashed those 2 pieces of chicken. Like all these tall pines. super cool. This whole area is really just pines. Well, it just started downpouring rain out of nowhere. Alright, now that everything is properly soaking wet again, we're gonna get blue skies again. Oh, there's some raindrops coming down from this cloud. Fire's still going. Whoa, fire's still going strong though. I got my other piece of chicken warming up right there. I'm gonna eat that. Tell you what, it's nice to eat something other than those stupid sodium packets of freaking rice, man. Good morning. Slept in a little bit longer than I wanted to, and it's raining right now. Yeah, this might have been a short, boring video. It might be a longer video. If it is a longer video, congratulations. But if it's a short video, also congratulations, because you made it to the end of the video. So thanks for watching, everyone. Peace.